And we're back. So we're doing a special bonus episode today. And today we're taking a deeper dive into Tattl's websites, right? So more so along the lines of keywords, keyword research, how we could use that in a wider strategy for the whole insurance industry and how people in insurance could use this to gain market share, right? So today we're looking at, of course, this is a paid tool. We're not using a free tool like we're accustomed to. Looking at the top pages for Tattl's websites in the last month. So we're looking at organic pages and organic traffic, not paid keywords, not paid anything, right? So if you're looking at organic traffic for January 7th, we could see the traffic there, and we could go right down to the day and the time, right? All up to actually yesterday, the 20th of January, go right back. So as we go down, we could see the actual pages, right? For Tattle that is working, the top pages. So let's go to the competing pages here now. Competing pages would show us Tattle has 49 pages that were indexed and searched. There are keywords that are unique to Tattle, common keywords in between Tattle and somebody else, and keywords unique to the competitor. So we could dive into keywords unique to Tattle, keywords in common, and keywords unique to Beacon. We're using Beacon today, right? So let's dive in really quickly. So here we're showing the content gap. This is 110 keywords that Beacon doesn't rank for, right? So in this space, we're looking at the words that Tattle has been ranked or found for, of course, in the search engine response page. And this gives you a beautiful snippet of how it actually shows up on Google, right? And when you see that, you would see that all these keywords are what Tattle has been found for based on different types of content that they have, right? Or even if we see Tattle has been found for HealthNet Trinidad, we could see how it shows up. We can see the ratings, the domain ratings, the URL ratings, and we can see how much traffic it gets, the actual volume. And we can actually see the sites, the links, and whatever is pushed there, right? We could move as further as seeing the keywords that they have in common, the 16 that they have in common, mostly around the insurance industry. Beautiful. And then we could dive into the 21 keywords that Tattle doesn't rank for, but Beacon ranks for. So when you see this type of information, you're able to say, all right, cool. Do I use these type of keywords, long tail, short tail, in different types of form, in different types of content? Should I put videos? Should I put blogs? Should I put, not social media too much, because we know Google and search engines are working on indexing that, but what type of content that we could put to get that out, right? Or to compete. So you're looking at things like motor code pages and claim forms. Then if I were Tattle, I would put out a piece of content saying, here's how simple our claim form is to do compared to others, blah, 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 right? And you might add that into your marketing campaigns, and then you take market share. So let's go into competing domains, right? Competing domains, we're looking at the actual domains that actually work. So the actual websites that compete against them. Unique to Tattle, in common, the percentage of how it's ranked, and unique to the competitor. Of course, we will go back to Beacon, but of course, you could go right back down to actual, almost all of them. You could see Guardian, you could see iGov TT for different types of things, right? And if we dive into the content gap, this is the 105 keywords that Beacon doesn't rank for across their entire website. So we could use that, right? That was Tattle, what Tattle shows up for. Of course, Beacon could use that, or Tattle could use it in different ways to generate different types of content. Because remember, people go to search engines to ask for solutions. So what I noticed a lot happening here is that a lot of people are asking for things like HealthNet or claim forms or insurance for cars, and websites have motor insurance and not a variation of what motor insurance is. I see people showing keywords. So cheapest insurance for a TIDA for car types. These are the types of content that people should be putting out, right? So we go in, we're looking at the 16 keywords that both have in common, Tattle and Beacon. You see it both there. And then in the search engine response page, like under insurance companies of Trinidad, you could see the rank that they have for it. So Beacon is ranked higher here in terms of insurance companies in Trinidad for that search of that variation of the keyword. And Tattle is ranked number 15 for that, right? And of course, if we enter here, we could see how it shows up on the search engine response page. And we're strapped for time, so we're going to power through. And these are the 109 keywords that Tattle doesn't rank for, but Beacon ranks for. So what you need to do based on this data, you would craft an overall digital strategy that says, how do I use keywords and search intent to get more traffic from my competitors and steal their traffic? So thank you for this snippet. Anybody in the insurance space that needs this could work for you, hit me up.